My people, breaking news. Raila Odinga is no more. It has officially been confirmed. Amekufia India, wanasema ni heart attack. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Where?
Hello guys, it's a boy Gishal. Hello comrades. We are saddened guys to announce the demise or the death of Raila Amolo Odinga, the former Prime Minister of Kenya. Guys, he has just received a statement right now that he died from heart attack. Guys, let us pray for him and the family, guys, and may his soul rest in peace, guys. This guy fought for a lot of comrade rights, and we right now have to accept whatever the future has for us. We always say that let us pray, let us pray, let us pray, because we don't know what the future holds for us tomorrow. Who knew that Raila Amolo Odinga, the former Prime Minister of Kenya, the political kingpin of Kenya, will just go like that? It's a Black Wednesday for all Kenyans, and Kenya is mourning. Hili limeniuma sana. May his soul rest in peace.
Sorry to interrupt your morning. Now, former Prime Minister Raila Odinga has been confirmed dead, and it has been reported that he died from a heart attack earlier this morning while he was having a morning walk in India. Rest in peace, Raila Odinga.